Good morning, and welcome to my review of something. Today we're going to be looking at different volumes and holy moly, what is that on his hands? We're going to be looking at the procedures of applying facial clay. This is what we like to call it. Okay, so now we're going to start with a palette that says confidence, which in fact is the exact opposite. Let's name this one humiliation, alright? So we're going to start by dabbing our eye with rice cakes. We take them and mash them into millions of pieces and put them on our face. And then I will take an applicator brush and use a color that we like to call piss orange. Perfect, and we smear it on. Don't look at what you're doing, just kind of close your eyes and go with it. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Put a little makeup on. Perfect. Absolutely shitty. Next, we're going to use Sun-Kissed Orange, which is a color I absolutely just made up. To put it underneath the color that we just put on, the Piss Orange combined with the Sun-Kissed Orange is going to create a failing sunset effect. There we go. Did you see the dust come off of that brush? It is because we haven't used these brushes in ages. Just a little bit of blending, you can see that it starts to look worse than it already did in the beginning. The great circular motion. Don't forget, when blending, a circular motion ensures that your blending process goes completely haywire. Do you see the dust particles in the background? I don't know what she has on her curtains, but by God, fix it. Ladies and gentlemen, that piece of tape on my face is holding together my eyelash and my lower eyelid. I have what you call cleft eye, and it is rather ugly if it's not held together properly. Cleft eye is a real thing, and God bless all of those who have cleft eye, and cleft lip, and all of the other clefts, the treble cleft and the bass cleft. Don't forget about those. For some reason, we're still blending, and I don't know why. Next, we're going to use NYX. It stands for Not Your Xylophone. And we're going to take an even smaller brush to make it look worse. Okay, now do you see what I just did? What I did was I took a color that had no business being mixed in with these colors, and I drew a line through the terribly blended colors that I have already used. Ladies and gentlemen, this color is called Appalachian Peach. We just made that up as well, but it fit, kind of. At this point, we have applied about 700 pounds of clay to our face, and we are going to continue to add and blend and add and blend and add and blend until there's no more colors left to use. Perfect. There we are. A smidge over here and a smidge over there. Just wonderful. Now, do you see what we've done? We've created an almost golden effect. Very beautiful, correct? Wrong. Absolutely not. Why are there so many colors blended in with this? Whatever happened to just one color of eyeshadow? Ingenuity, ladies and gentlemen, ingenuity. And next we're going to use another product by Not Your Xylophone in a yellow container? I don't know what this is. Let's see. But it appears that we're actually drawing on our face now with more distinctive lines. Perfect. Nope. Wrong again. It looks terrible, but we're going to just keep pressing forward as if nothing had ever happened. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why you don't get creative with makeup, because this eyelash literally looks like the aftermath of a Kamehameha wave. Absolutely disastrous. And we're still working, still doing stuff to my face. Ladies and gentlemen, this palette is called the Sunrise Apocalypse palette. And here we are. There we go. Oh yeah, we just take a little bit here, smear it on. Don't pay attention to what you're doing, just close your eyes and go for it. It's like bobbing for apples. You never know what you're gonna get. Just close your eyes and scribble on your face as hard as possible. And this may be what you get. Ladies and gentlemen, these lines inspired the back of a Durango taillight. If you look closely, that's actually what we did. We took our design from our Dodge Durango and drew it on our face. I don't know what he's doing in the video, but he's rather hulkish, and his shirt is dirty. And his facial hair is quite grotesque. He's ruining the video. As if the makeup wasn't bad enough. Get out of here. Thank you, God. What were you doing? Just get away from here. Now, let's get back to this. What were we doing? Yeah, we're just still drawing on our face for whatever reason. Okay. More stuff to put on our face. Fit me. That's... oh, wow. That's a lot. That is a lot. We're just... I guess we're just putting makeup wherever now. We're putting makeup on all of our high points. Ladies, gentlemen, if your nose is large, take away from your nose by putting colors in places people are forced to look. Part of the reason this eyelash makeup was created was so people could take a closer look at the parts that you want them to look at other than the parts that they're forced to. For example, if your nose is gigantic, don't highlight your nose. Don't be a moron. Highlight your eyes, or one of your less favorable features. Yes, this is perfect. This is totally deceiving, by the way. Makeup should not be used to cover up imperfections. You should just use makeup to do fun stuff. Draw on paper. Coloring books. I don't understand what she's doing, but I guess she believes it makes her look better? I wholeheartedly disagree. It's quite grotesque. I mean, how can she even blink with all of that stuff on her face? She's still going at it, just brushing and painting and scraping, and when will it ever end? This has almost been 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes of just stuff on your face. I don't even know what she's brushing on, but she's doing something. You know, if they weren't paying me for this, I would have quit so long ago. This is horrible. I can't watch this anymore. And then you add blush. Are you really adding blush? Good lord. And another, oh my god, another palette. Jesus. Please stop it now, you're killing your face. If you don't know how to get crow's feet by the time you're 28 years old, this is how. Apply numerous products to your face and never clean your face. I actually recommend sleeping with all of this stuff on every time you do it. You want to put makeup on, why be beautiful during the day? Make your face up at night and ruin your pillows, and ruin your face at the same time. Perfect. See that? See how my face is like a glazed donut? Perfect. That's what we're going for. We're just kind of glossing it up and ruin it a little bit, and somehow it looks better. I don't know what she's doing. When will this end? People seriously watch all 11 minutes of this. Don't even know how long this is. I can't do it anymore. I'm literally about to get up and walk away from this computer. If she could hear all the horrible things I'm saying right now about this, I probably wouldn't be sitting in this house anymore. Look at this. It's just utter waste of time. Oh, look at that. You seen that? The yellow got into her eyelash. I'm going to nitpick. Ooh. I'm going to make an entirely different page and disguise myself as someone who she believes is a fan, but I'm just going to trash talk her page. I'm going to slam her with the worst comments humanly possible. It's going to be fun. I can't wait. It's quite riveting. Really? What are you doing? Is that a mustache pencil? That's what she's doing. Perfect. Nothing wrong with a little goatee. That's nice. Man, this is really rough. This is now carrying on of 12 minutes of face plastering. This is too much. I can't do it. If you look closely, the makeup looks great, but she has several boogers in her nose. Several. No, not one. I counted several. It's about 5 of them. Like, I'm in her nose, like in her crusties. See that? Oh, flare your nostrils a bit. Ah, there's one. Oh, for sure. It was crawling out of there. Like, wow, that was nasty. Confidence, again, that is the exact opposite. And the colors we used were Piss Orange, and we used Sun-Kissed Orange, with our highlighting marker that was called Golden Shower. And I do believe that is a mozzarella stick. I don't know what that is on his fingers, but ew. Yes, I guess we look alright. Can we wrap this up now? It's getting a bit annoying. I quit. I need a drink.